Are you a content creator seeking a motherboard that promises top-tier performance but might have a few unexpected quirks? Stick around to uncover the full story. The ASUS X870E-CREATOR Wi-Fi is meticulously crafted for creative professionals who demand both performance and reliability. Its sleek, professional design features a black aesthetic accent with subtle gold touches, exuding sophistication without the distraction of RGB lighting. At its core, this motherboard supports AMD's latest Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, ensuring compatibility with cutting-edge CPUs. The robust 16+2+2 power stage design delivers stable power, easier efficient multitasking, and rendering tasks. Memory support is impressive, accommodating up to 192 GB of DDR5 RAM, with speeds reaching 8,000 megatransfers per second. This capacity and speed are crucial for handling large files and complex projects seamlessly. Storage options are abundant, with 4 M.2 slots supporting both PCIe 5.0 and 4.0, allowing for rapid data access and ample storage expansion. The inclusion of dual USB 4 ports offers versatile connectivity, supporting up to 40 gigabits per second transfer speeds, ideal for high-speed data transfers and connecting multiple peripherals. Networking capabilities are top-notch, featuring dual Ethernet ports and Wi-Fi 7, ensuring fast and reliable internet connections, which are essential for cloud-based workflows and large file uploads. However, it's worth noting that the advanced features and premium build quality come at a higher price point. For those on a budget, this motherboard might be considered an investment. Additionally, while the professional design is appealing, the absence of RGB lighting may be a drawback for users who prefer customizable aesthetics. In terms of value for money, the ProArt offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored for creators, justifying its premium price. To explore the latest offers and pricing, check out the Amazon link in the description. So, what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? The cons: higher price point compared to standard motherboards, lack of RGB lighting for customizable aesthetics, potential overkill for users with basic computing needs. The pros: robust power design for stable performance, extensive connectivity options including dual USB 4 ports, high memory capacity and speed support, advanced networking features with dual Ethernet and Wi-Fi 7, professional and sleek design suitable for creative workspaces. For creative professionals seeking a motherboard that combines performance, reliability, and extensive features, the ASUS ProArt X870E-CREATOR stands out as a top contender. To get the latest deals, check out the Amazon link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below.